Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today, we're assembling the Capri rectangular table. Inside the box, you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. On this list, you will see screw-in feet. These should already be in the table legs. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box, you should have these components: one tabletop, two short center plates, two long center plates, and 4 table legs. You must ensure that the short plate is connected to the long plate in the correct fashion. The end should not be symmetrical, and the plate with the lip should be on the inside and further away from the leg. Here you can see I'm attaching the leg with the short plate first and then the long plate with the lip. Make sure all feet are facing upwards. And now, once you have done this, loosely secure into the place with the big flat washer, big lock washer, and a nut. Repeat this process for all legs and plates, making sure you attach the plates in the correct fashion and feet are facing upwards at all times. Make sure all bolts are on loosely at this stage. You should have some flexibility once completed. On a soft, clean surface, place the tabletop face down and attach the bolts. Pro tip: when attaching these bolts, ensure the screwdriver thread is face up. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 bolts. Once completed, use a flathead screwdriver to tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten though, as aluminium is a soft metal and this will cause the thread to become damaged. The next step is to align the base to the top, and then attach using the big flat washers, big lock washers, and the nut. Repeat for the remaining 3 legs. Now you can tighten all nuts with a 14mm spanner and then cover with the nut caps. And with the help of a friend, turn the table to the upright position. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.